Pretty early. Sun's not even up yet. Good morning, beautiful.
Morning.
Let's go. What's up, everybody? I know it's been a really long time. It's been a rough start to the year, I'm not gonna lie. In February I had my ACL surgery, which everything went perfectly well. My physio went really well, everything was great. When I hit the 5-month mark, I decided to just go for an easy ride, so I was just riding in one of the tracks. Felt great, everything, the knee felt good. And then the weekend after that, I went back to the same place. It's like a free ride track in the desert. And while we were riding, there's a section that there's a dune that we jump 3 times, and then you cross it over and you jump like crisscross. And I jumped over the first time. I saw a car in the distance, and then he saw us, I guess, because he was facing us, just watching. And so I'm like, okay, whatever, he sees us, we're good. So I kept going, and then on the last jump over before the next section, as I came over the blind jump, the car was face on with me, and I landed into the car. Unfortunately, breaking my left kneecap and elbow into the windshield. I'll probably put the photos here. So yeah, that was a really tough one to swallow. Like, I really struggled to kind of mentally push through that. A second injury, second surgery that I had to have. So that was on the 16th of July, exactly 5 months since my first surgery. Yeah, so then I had to wait a few days to have surgery because I had some cuts and stuff on the knee. But anyway, so we had surgery, everything went well, thank God. My ligaments made it out fine, which is also great. I apparently just missed a nerve in my elbow, which I'm also thankful for, obviously. The bike came out pretty bad. I'll probably do a separate video on that because there's just so much to talk about. But I'll also put another picture here because the bike went just like that. Anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know what happened. And also huge thank you to everybody that's been a part of the comeback. All the Catarduners, the guys, Ricky, Martin, Abdullah, Nasser for helping out. Companies like G House and Even Strokes for just helping me get back on my feet. And obviously Aspetar, the hospital, QMF. So I'm just really grateful. Obviously it's really crappy what happened, but I've got a lot more to be thankful for. So today we're gonna go for our first ride. It has been 2.5 months since the accident. I'm really nervous, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, the bike's back together. I'm back together, functioning, I wouldn't say 100% for sure. But we're just gonna have some fun, and we'll take you guys along for a little vlog around the track today. So I told her she's on vlog duty today, and I'm the one that has to do everything. Typical. Couldn't even get the chair sorted out. Come on, get the factory chair.
What do you mean?
Where's my table?
Oh.
Yeah, there we go. All the boys. She's pretty. Are you the fastest 2-stroke rider?
Yeah,
Probably, or like you are?
yeah, I am.
You are, okay. Is that because you're the only 2-stroke rider or not?
Maybe.
Are you gonna smoke some kids today? And me? Okay, let's not. Okay, we don't have to hurt the old guy's feelings. Factory setup. Yarr. Oh, did you bring other pants? You ride sand tracks, then you know. Don't video me, video them.
They're in.
Nothing interesting going on here. You need to go check out Qatar's fastest family. Right here. Right here. Please make sure Aaron's got his big toe facing out. Morning. It's been a while. Focus out the car. Not gonna lie, I didn't know when was the next time I'd be doing this. But Martin started talking trash and was like, he's the fastest 4-stroke rider. So, and we can't have that. So I thought I'd come out of retirement. Eh?
I was talking the truth.
Ah, the truth!
Oh.
So today we're racing for pink slips. Oh, baby. Baby. Oh, no necking! Let's go, champ. Khalid. Okay, let's go. Woo! Again, one more. Nice. So tell me, how does it feel to be the fastest 450 rider?
Well, I don't know. I took out Hurlings on turn 1. Took out his teammate as well on that on the double. And yeah, bro, if you got any challenges out there in Qatar, bring it.
Is there anybody you'd like to thank?
I'd like to thank my dad, Sheikh Mike, and editor Jasmine, and my wife, my 6 kids. I love you all.
And my girlfriend.
And my girlfriend.
Wow. Wow, bro. Are you professional?
Yes, of
Are you professional?
Yes, of course.
Wow, bro.
He's pregnant.
He's what?
Helmet.
How you doing, bro?
Go, man. Must go. We will.
Yeah, we're in the diplomatic channel now. We're using diplomatic, but it's alright.
Oh, that's on the other side, right?
But I know the like the entries a bit sketch because there's a bump. Yeah. I mean, you just brake over the bump and then as soon as you get over the bump, and then you can jump the whole thing. When I jump, I'm in here. Yeah.
What do we say? What do we say? Come on, vlog life, bro. Sheikh Yaqub Al Yusuf. What's the word of the day?
Come and ride today and tomorrow.
There we go. Thank you for your positive. See you, bro. Damn, shorty. You good?
All good?
There we go. Bye, Robinsons.
See you later.
Peace.
450.
Is that the fastest 450 rider
You know
in
damn
Qatar?
right. You know damn right.
Amy, make some Oreo balls. It's always a good day when you can ride your bike.